The exceptions screen allows you to make exceptions to Guide Directory Sync Pro in matching and/or mapping particular attributes when you know there's an exception to normal behavior. For example, suppose that a company had pre-created some users in their target Active Directory environment whose attributes are not an exact match for one of Directory Sync Pro's matching attributes. In the source, we could have a user whose SAM account name is Fred. They've already made an account in the target for Fred, but the SAM account name is Frederick in the target. Directory Sync Pro would not find a match and would consider Fred and Frederick to be different users if matching on the SAM account name attribute. Directory Sync would then create a new account called Fred in the target, not knowing that they were supposed to be the same. You can let DirSync become aware of this by making a manual exception. I'll choose the source field, in this case, SAM account name, and the source value of Fred. The target field will be the same, only the value will be Frederick. I'll then choose the exception type, map only, match only, or map and match. I'll choose match only because I want Directory Sync Pro to consider these mismatched values as a match for matching purposes. Choose map only if you just want to change the value of a particular target attribute based on the specific value of a source attribute. For example, the source company has a department called Information Technology, but they've been acquired by a company that calls that same department Business Technology. Just enter the appropriate values here and choose Map Only. Now, whenever Directory Sync Pro finds a source object with a department value of Information Technology, it will write Business Technology in the department field of the target object. You can also choose both by choosing Map and Match. If you have a lot of exceptions, you can create a CSV file and import it here. You can download a file to use as a template. Note the column headers. The words match and map must have the first letter capitalized as shown here. You also have the options to export your mappings, to search for a particular mapping, or to filter your view by the type of mapping.